farming ain't all about cute little lambs and calves and cows and feeding stuff. Sometimes it's about fixing your truck. Today's Land Rover issue is this little bugger. Apparently it's a common fault and it's sprung a leak. Big leak. In fact, I pissed out about 30 quid's worth of diesel. Torch ain't working. 30 quid's worth of diesel in about a week. But I've got to the bottom of it, and there it is. There were no videos on YouTube explaining how to do this. I've looked on a couple of forums. I've had a poke about. I mean, one benefit of a fuel leak is a bit of chassis sealing, what we call it. Should keep the rust at bay for a while. Anyway, it looks like, oh, it's fucking dark, isn't it? Of course. Turn the torch on. It looks like up underneath it's that bugger there. If I wiggle it, where are you? And I've had a lot of people asking, Darren, there's not enough videos of you swearing on the internet. So I thought, where are you? That one, can you see it? There, underneath, fuel tank there. Chassis, all that crap. There it is. Give it a pull. So it's that one. Now I know where he goes. I'll have a go at taking him out. Now with a bit of light, orientate yourself. There's the exhaust. Follow the exhaust pipe up into there, into that hole, and up there. That's what we're looking at. Can you fucking see it? There you go. Right there, that thing there. So my finger won't reach. Duh. Right, where can I put this? Oh, I'm just gonna have to lay you down. Lay you down there. You probably can't see it. Right. It's got little poppy jobs on the side. So you get your monkey arm through there. Twist it. And fucking pop it off. Squish one side in, but not the other. Can I turn it? Alright, turn it, probably fuck the other bit of paper. Come on, you. Come on, twat! I made my leg go stiff now, did fucking hell. My head's too fucking big. Yeah, get out. Fucking. Kill you, prick. Right. One side's pushing in. What have we got? What's that? I'll not do it. Right. Just in there. Like that. Oh, does that work? Fuck. Oh. Where are you? Oh, you cunt. Not a mechanic, not by any stretch of the imagination, just a skint farmer. Right, come on. Why aren't you fucking coming up? Diesel on my head. Lovely. There's probably a proper tool for this. Oh, you pressed it. Oh, sorry about that. That's the strain of the job. Come on, you bastard. God, what the fuck do you want to... You pressed in. Push you up there. Stab my finger. Ready? I can't see. Oh, you can't. Fuck out. What's going on here? Oh, you moved in a long fucking way. Get my head up here. Hey, look at that. Come on. Oh, I gotcha. Pissing out all over the place. Right. That was good. Turns out, squeeze the little dinkles in, push it back on a little bit further, squeeze them a bit more, pull it out. Yeah. There. If you look closely, diesel dripping on me, fuck it. It's got little poppers, little squeezy bits. Squeeze it, push it back on a bit, squeeze it a bit more, pull it off. There it is. Right, get on. Hello, chicken. Let's have a rest. Look at me chicken. Where are you off to? Off you go. Right, get out then. Well, let me see. Don't be too over exuberant with the rejoicing and the pulling of the pipe, because I nearly pulled it too far. Next job, baler cord. I'll try and get this green job off, I reckon. How do I do that? What do I do? Oh, fuck it, don't break the fucking thing. How the fuck do you get you off? Did you pull it? I think you probably do. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll get it off when it's off. Tie my baler cord on the spot. Here it is. Ah, there we go. Can you see that? See if there's any power on my torch. There. That cost me 30 quid's worth of diesel and £47.90 something for the part from Brookwell's. Don't know if they're the cheapest, but they're the nearest. There we go. Right. Get this green job off. Put it to the new pipe, which is there, and then try and fit it back. Right, I think I've sussed out to get this off. Stick your screwdriver in there, turn it round, stick a screwdriver in there, oh, and then I can go back, do that one again, pop it in, that pops it out, I think. It should do. Pop, there we go, pop it up past there. And that one's fucking popped back in again. Why, my lovey? Trying to get this green fucker off. There, slide it on. Look at that. Right. You are allowed to swear because this is going on my personal channel, not the farm one. Right. See what you like. Hey, what do you think of Keir Starmer?
Apparently they've just hiked the vet inspection prices up on abattoirs.
Yeah.
From £17 something per whatever to something like £74.
Oh, that's nice.
So all the little abattoirs are
Yeah.
no longer going to be able to afford to function, so we could lose cages.
Well, they'll just have to put the price up, won't they?
Well, they will, won't they?
You cannot stop eating meat.
Which suffers the fucking problem. What are you doing here?
That'll do.
Okay.
You don't unpeel it because it'll. There we go. Good.
Look at you.
What?
You little grubby.
Yeah.
You know I find you very attractive when you're doing mechanics.
Ooh, dirty talk.
It's not recording.
It is. Now what I did. Just tied a bit of baler cord.
Bit of baler cord.
Bit of baler cord, right? You can be my feeder through.
Oh, right.
Alright, I've got nothing else to do.
I have actually.
What?
I'm going to go and sort my carrot beds out.
Yeah. Apart from that. Oh, I did have a knife, look.
Oh, you twat. Is that brumming or crying?
That's brumming.
Hey, you found a box before.
Yeah, they were underneath the bucket.
I said
Not.
they were under the bucket.
Did you?
Yeah. You don't bloody listen to a word I fucking say, do you?
Anyway, it was under the bucket. Right, you there?
I have.
There.
Yeah, I got.
Days.
Yeah, I got it. Pumping.
Right, ready? And. Ugh.
Yay.
Yeah.
Now you just got to mop all that up.
Yeah. I might syringe it up. Look at it, loads of it. There's about 50 quid's worth of fuel there, sitting on top of that.